Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Westfalia Towbars Performance. In front of us, we have a beautiful brand new Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This vehicle came to us to get a tow bar and vehicle-specific dedicated wiring kit fitted. Now, this tow bar itself is a premium Westfalia detachable and invisible tow bar. Tow bar at the rear fits beautifully with the back of this bumper, allowing no bumper cuts, as this bumper already has a panel pre-cut out for tow bars like this. It's a perfect European fit for this tow bar and vehicle. A 13-pin plug that allows for reversing lights, auxiliary power, constant power, electric trailer brakes if you'd like, and more. Obviously the signals and whatnot. Just want to share what we're doing here at Westfalia Towbars Performance. What a beautiful clean finish at the back of this Tiguan. If you guys have any questions or want to inquire about your vehicle and how well it will fit, please feel free to call our friendly team, as we are happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.